Hello, welcome to our video on Excel terminologies, where we will dive into the essential concepts and terms you need to know to navigate Excel with confidence. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video will provide a clear understanding of the key terminologies used in Excel. As you are aware that Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software widely used for data analysis, organizing information and performing calculations. Understanding the terminologies in Excel is crucial as they form the building blocks of efficient data management and analysis. In this video, we will walk you through the fundamental Excel terminologies. Let's start with the basic. Excel is organized into workbooks, which consist of multiple worksheets or tabs. Think of a workbook as a container that holds your data and analysis. Each worksheet is composed of cells, forming a grid-like structure. Columns labeled with letter A, B, C, D, etc. run vertically, while rows labeled with 1, 2, 3 runs horizontally. Cells are the individual units within the grid where you can enter data, formula, or text. You can add more sheets in one workbook. One workbook can have multiple worksheets. By clicking on the plus sign appearing here, it says new sheet. You can add multiple sheets in one workbook. Every workbook has multiple sheets. Every sheet has multiple cells, and everything is individual until you create a reference. Every cell is individual. You can enter whatever data you want in each cell. So let's talk about cell referencing now. Cell referencing is the ability to refer to specific cell within formula. By using cell reference, you can perform calculation based on the values stored in other cell. When you create a formula, Excel automatically adjusts the cell reference as you move or copy the formula. Like I can show you an example here. This cell where you can see the number 18 written, this cell will be called F8, as it is appearing in the column F and row 8. So now let's move on to formulas and functions. Formulas are the heart of Excel, allowing you to perform calculations and automate data analysis. A formula starts with the equal sign followed by a combination of number and cell reference. Like as I mentioned earlier, F8 plus the cell you see the number 12 written. The cell on which you see number 12 written will be called F7 because it is in F column in 7th row. So you read this formula like equals to F8 plus F7. Enter. It sums both cells. Excel offers a wide range of built-in functions to simplify complex calculations and data manipulations. Functions like sum, average, and count perform a specific task or calculation on selected data. For example, the sum function, just what I showed, making it easy to calculate tools without writing lengthy formulas. Data entry and editing. Entering data into Excel is simple. Just click on the cell and start typing. You can input number, text, dates, or even simple formula directly into cells. Editing data is equally straightforward. Double-click on a cell to enter edit mode, make changes, and press enter to save your modifications. Double-click, changes made, enter. Next is sorting and filtering. Sorting enables you to arrange your data in ascending order or descending order based on a selected column. This makes it easier to find specific information and analysis data more effectively. By selecting a range of cells and using the sorting feature, you can quickly organize your data and gain insights and identify patterns. Select whole data, shift arrow, click on data. Here you see sort. Sort by. I would like to sort my data by age, smallest to largest, and it has sorted the data. Just ignore this formula because it moved the references. Earlier it was 30 because it was the sum of F8 and F7. When I arranged the data, the values in F8 and F7 changed, so did the values in F7 and F8 changed, and so did the total. Now, filtering. Filtering is a powerful tool for focusing on a specific information within your dataset. It allows you to display only the data that meets certain criteria, hiding the rest temporarily. Filtering is particularly useful when working with large datasets, enabling you to drill down into specific subsets of data and perform target analysis. Select the whole table. In the data tab, you see filter. Now, if I want to see the data of female only, uncheck male, and you can only see the data about female now. Clear filter and revert it. Okay, next is cell stylings and formatting. Cell styles allows you to change the appearance of cells, making your data more visually appealing and easier to read. Excel provides a variety of predefined styles that you can apply with a single click. For instance, you can apply heading styles to emphasize titles or data styles to highlight specific information. Formatting options in Excel are extensive, allowing you to customize the look of your data. You can adjust font size, change font color, apply cell borders, and modify cell background color to create a visually appealing presentation of your information. Formatting enhances the clarity and visual impact of your data, making it easier to understand and interpret. Click Home. Here, currently I am on cell E3. I hope you are now able to understand unique names of each cell. Control B or use your mouse to click here. I have already uploaded a video showing basic shortcuts. You can easily save time and do all these formattings using those shortcuts. Control B is the shortcut to turn your data bold. Click here. Underline. Control U was the shortcut. Go and watch that video. It is super helpful. You can change style here, font size, and there's a lot you can do in this tab. Just click on Home and you will see basic formatting options here. Next is saving and printing. Saving your Excel workbook is vital to preserve your work. With a click of a button or by pressing Ctrl S, you can save your changes and ensure your data is stored safely. Choose a location on your computer and provide a descriptive file name to help you identify your workbook in the future. Printing your workbook allows you to have physical copies of your data or analysis. Ctrl P is the shortcut. Excel provides various print settings such as page orientation, margin, and print area, which you can customize to fit your specific printing needs. Printing can be especially useful for reporting, presentation, or sharing information with others. There's a lot more that I want to tell you guys, but for now, I'll just keep it to these points. Go practice it, watch the video, watch the earlier video that I have uploaded on Excel shortcut. Practice what I have shared today, and I will create another video with more functions. We have covered the fundamental Excel terminologies that lay the foundation for understanding and using this powerful spreadsheet software. Familiarize yourself with key terms. You will be equipped to navigate Excel with confidence, I'm sure. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye.